Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our HUAFIT Wtach S8, and on this video we are going to have a demo of its heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. And of course the results will be compared with our Xiaomi Smartband 10, a very accurate sensor, and the same with the blood oxygen monitoring. We'll have a simultaneous monitoring later. So if you are interested in the results of the heart rate monitoring for our HUAFIT Wtach S8, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Wtach S8 heart rate monitoring. So let's access the heart rate here. Going to measure it, and as you can see, it will not continue to measure if you're not wearing the wearable properly. Right. Let's see if it's the same with our blood oxygen. Measuring. Let's see. So it may take some time for the blood oxygen, and I think I'm not going to finish this. I think it is just the same. Okay, will not provide any results, just blank if it cannot check your or detect your blood oxygen. Okay, so let's wear our, while we are waiting, let's wear our HUAFIT or Xiaomi Smartband 10, and after this we'll wear the HUAFIT Wtach S8. Okay, next, as you can see, it just checking it continuously, but we don't have the result. Okay, so let's wear it properly so we can have an accurate result for the blood oxygen as well as the heart rate monitoring. Okay, next, let's check, or let's go first with the heart rate. Going to activate this first. We do have the minimum and the maximum here. Beats per minute. We do have here 86 beats per minute. Let's check with our Xiaomi Smartband 10. 81 beats per minute. 87. We have 88 here. 86 and 88. 86 the same. We have 85. 86. 88 bits per minute. 87, 90, and that's it. Again, so as you can see here, we almost have the same results with our Xiaomi Smartband 10. It's just slow to update, but so far we have the same outcome or the same results for the heart rate. So 91, 86 here, 85. It's now dropping. We have 87 and 85. The same. 88, 90. So I guess we do have a good heart rate monitoring sensor here for our HUAFIT Wtach S8. If we're going to check the blood oxygen, I think we also have the same results. Just a minor difference, I think. Let's see. It's now measuring. We have 98% here, 97, 96, It's now measuring. 97, 98. We have 95%, it's calibrating. And we have 95, very low. And let's see with our HUAFIT Watch S8, 98%. And we have 98%. So it's a bit different. I guess maybe the positioning. But so far, I find the Huawei or the Xiaomi Smartband 10 blood oxygen to be a bit accurate compared to other fitness tracker. Okay, but when it comes to the heart rate monitoring, we do have a we have a good result for our HUAFIT Watch S8 Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and if you find the video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.